Welcome back to part 3, van conversion. Hi, welcome back to part 3 of the van conversion. This week we're fitting a Maxxair deluxe fan, this right here, and for this, to fit a panel van you have to have basically a gasket, which is this black thing here, that with a handpiece I'm going to drill out the ribs of the van. And we've also got some offcuts from the window from last part that's going to act as a strengthener. So we'll move on into the van. We've marked out, we traced the inside frame, which is obviously short, so we've measured out 14 by 14. So we're going to start by drilling through to the top. So as you can see, our pilot holes are drilled, so we're just going to go onto the roof, re-measure and put a bigger drill bit in so we can get the jigsaw blade through. welcome back. Sorry about the blackout. I advise you never buy cheap batteries on eBay, because when it comes to your van build it'll just stop filming and turn off without you even knowing. But basically this is it installed now. Bit messy with the Sikaflex, but we definitely don't want any leaks. So basically I think the film ended where we were laying the adapter gasket on top, put the base plate on top, drilled pilot holes through, we took everything off, laid Sikaflex on the bottom of the gasket, then we laid mastic tape on the inside of the adapter with Sikaflex beads on either side, placed everything on, lined it up, and then we put these aluminium strips that we cut on top, screwed everything in, and then went over with a bead along the edges all the way around to try and stop any water. Then when it came to fitting, thanks to everyone on YouTube who has fit one of these, that give the advice of the metal tags in here. You have to lift them up a few millimeters because the holes don't quite line up. So we used a flathead screwdriver on this ledge, pushed it down, screwed it in, and it's solid as a rock. So this is the fan from inside the van. As you can see, like I say, don't forget to drop the wires through, and just to be a little bit cautious, I added a bit extra Sikaflex around the outside there. And we haven't put battens on the inside because we haven't totally worked out what thickness of insulation we're going to have. It'll roughly be about 50mm, I would have thought, and then cladding on top. So we'll come back to that at a later date. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, where we'll be laying, well, either laying electrical cable or solar panels right here. So, ta-ra for now.